So now all of you mute your mic. So let us start the session. So today we are going to start session number 4 of chapter number 10, circles. Okay, and we are going to complete the exercise 10.4. So this is the first question, and the question is two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points, and the distance between their center is given 4 centimeter. Find the length of the common chord. Okay, so let us draw the circle first. Two circles with center O and O dash, and both are intersect at point A and B, and AB is the common chord. AB is the common chord. Figure is clear?
Yes, sir.
And the radius of this circle, the first circle is given 5 centimeter, and the radius of the second circle is given 3 centimeter. And this is the distance between their center, that is 4 centimeter. And last year in class 8 you have studied Pythagorean triplet. Padhe ho na?
Yes, sir.
So 3, 4, 5. These three numbers are Pythagorean triplet. So that means this will form a right triangle, but we have to show. So उसके लिए पूरा steps लिखना पड़ेगा. So let us start the steps. First, radius OA is equals to 5 centimeter. This is the radius, and radius O dash A is equals to 3 centimeter, and distance between their center, that is O dash, is equals to 4 centimeter. Now in this triangle, 5 square is equals to 4 square plus 3 square. We are checking because this is the largest side among these three. So we are checking whether the square of that side is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. So 5 square is 25, and 4 square is 16, and 3 square is 9. So 25 is equals to 16 plus 9. So both are equals to 25. So this will imply that by Pythagoras theorem, this triangle is a right angle triangle, right angled at O dash. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So ये angle हम लोग का मिल गया 90 degree. We know that the perpendicular drawn from the center to chord bisects the chord. So this is the chord, right? AB is the common chord, and O dash is the perpendicular. And we know that the perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. So O dash is the midpoint of AB, and O dash is also the center of the second circle. So therefore the length of AB is equals to diameter of circle 2, the second circle, and the diameter of second circle is 6 centimeter. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us move towards question number 2. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to corresponding segments of other chord. अब ये segment क्या है देख लो. See, AB and CD are two equal chords, and they are intersecting at point E, right? So E point जो है वो AB line segment को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है. कौन कौन सा? एक AE और एक BE, right? The one is the smaller part and another is the larger part. Similarly, point E divides CD in two parts. Each part is called the segment of that line segment. Okay, so CE और दूसरा कौन सा है? DE,
DE.
right? तो AE का जो corresponding segment है वो CE है. That means these two are equal, we have to show. And BE का जो corresponding segment है वो DE है. These two we have to show. Whether what we have to show, that is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start with the given A, B and CD be two equal chords of a circle with center O and intersecting each other at point E within the circle, and we are going to draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. right? So we are going to draw the perpendicular, first ON perpendicular to AB and second ON perpendicular to CD, and then we will join the OE point, right? Whether construction is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to prove these two triangles congruent. See carefully. In right angle triangles OME and ONE, these two triangles, the yellow one and the green one, this is common side. And what about these two, OM and ON, whether these are equal? Why OM is equals to ON?
Sides of square.
No,
Sir, angles opposite to equal sides.
no,
Sir, sides are
no,
opposite to
no, no.
equal.
Wait. See, two chords are equal, AB and CD. Okay, and we know that the perpendicular distance from the two equal chords are equal. एक theorem पढ़े ना, equal chords are equidistant from the center, right? So first, these two angles are equal. Why? These two angles,
Each 90 degrees.
right? Each 90 degrees.
Each 90 degree.
And OM is equals to ON. Just now I told you that equal chords are equidistant from the center. And the next one, OE is the hypotenuse of these two triangles, and it is common also. So therefore these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
RHS.
RHS
Right,
criteria.
by RHS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. So ME is equals to NE. Why?
CPCT.
Right, CPCT. Let it be equation number 1. यहाँ तक सबको clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now O is the center of the circle and OM is the perpendicular to AB. And we know that the perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord.
Yes, sir.
So what we can say that AM is equals to BM, or we can write AM is equals to half of AB, right? AM is equals to half of AB. Let it be equation number 2. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Similarly, CN we can write half of CD. Okay. The reason is that the perpendicular from the center to chord bisects the chord. So now similarly, CN or NC is equals to half of CD. Let it be equation number 3. Now already in the question, in the statement, it is given that AB is equals to CD, right? AB is equals to CD. So half of AB or half of CD be equal होंगे. That means AM is equals to CN, right? Let it be equation number 4. Up to here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now next also MB is equals to DN, the next part of the chord. दोनों equal है ना? AM is equals to BM or CN is equals to DN, right? So these two are also equal. Now from this we are going to subtract these two. ध्यान से देखो, ME और NE ऑलरेडी हम लोग इक्वल प्रूफ कर चुके हैं. इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं या इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं, जिसमें मैं टिक कर रहा हूं अभी मैं. ME is equals to NE already we proved, CPCT बोल के, and AM is equals to CN already we have proved here in equation number 4. So we are going to add both equation 1 and 4. So AM plus ME, what you will get? AM plus ME. ये दोनों-
AE.
Yes. And if you add these two, what you will get?
CE.
CE.
Right. That means AE is equals to CE. यही था first part proof करना था. Now the second part, what we have to show that ये दोनों equal है. BE is equals to DE. So that is very easy. We can subtract it from AB. So AB is equals to CD, that is given, and AE is equals to CE we have already proved. So we are going to subtract these two. So subtracting will get AB minus AE is equals to CD minus CE. So what you will get if you subtract these two? AB में AE subtract करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
EB.
BE. And if you subtract CE from CD, what you will get?
ED.
Yes.
ED.
So BE is equals to DE. So दोनों part proof हो गया. This is the first part and this is the second part. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now let us move towards the third question. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the circle center makes equal angle with the chords. Now this is very similar to that one. So let AB and CD be two equal chords of a circle with center O intersecting each other at point within the circle at point E. So यहाँ पर भी सेम वही कंस्ट्रक्शन हम लोग करेंगे. Join OM, join ON, draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD, then join OE. Right? Any doubt here? This is the same. जैसा हम लोग सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में किए थे वही है बिल्कुल. यहाँ पर भी हम लोग वही दोनों ट्रायंगल्स लेंगे. Same steps. These two angles are equal, each 90 degree, and OM is equals to ON. Why OM is equals to ON?
Equal chords are
Equidistant from the center.
center.
Right, very good. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. Now this is the common side and this is the hypotenuse also. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
RHS criteria.
Right, RHS. By
RHS
RHS congruence
criteria.
rule, these two triangles are congruent. Now this will imply these two angles are equal. Why?
CPCT.
CPCT. यही प्रूफ करना था. देखो, line joining the point of intersection to the center, मतलब OE, makes equal angle with the chords. मतलब ये दोनों angles को equal प्रूफ करना था. So third question over. Any doubt in third question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards the fourth question. So this is the diagram given in the question. If a line intersects two concentric circles, what is concentric circles?
Circles which are the same
With
radius,
Not
but
same
different
radius,
radius.
center. Already it is written here. Circles with the same center. So ये जो बड़ा outer circle है और inner circle है, दोनों का center same है, that is O. So these two circles are called concentric circles. With a center O at they are intersecting at 4 points A, B, C and D. These 4 points. Prove that AB is equals to CD. Okay, so ये जो लाइन हम लोग जो ड्रॉ किए हैं, ये जो लाइन जो है वो दोनों सर्कल को 4 पॉइंट में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, A, B, C, D, and we have to show that AB is equals to CD. Whether question is clear to all of you?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so we'll start with one construction. OL perpendicular to L. This line is L. Okay, this line is L. So हम लोग perpendicular line draw कर रहे हैं. So this is perpendicular. OL perpendicular to line L. Now AD is a chord of outer circle. See carefully. ये जो AD है यहाँ से ये यहाँ तक. This is the chord of outer circle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And OL is perpendicular to AD. So we can write that AL is equals to DL. Why?
Sir, perpendicular from center to a chord bisects the chord.
Very good. AL is equals to LD. Let it be equation number 1. The reason is that perpendicular from center to chord bisects the chord. This part is clear? Equation 1 is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी ध्यान से देखो, BC जो है, BC is a chord of the inner circle, right? BC is the chord of inner circle, जो अंदर में जो सर्कल है, and OL is perpendicular to BC. Figure is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can write BL is equals to CL. Let it be equation number 2. If both equations are clear, we will move further. दोनों इक्वेशन अगर क्लियर है तो आगे बढ़ेंगे.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to subtract these two equations. Okay. Subtracting 2 from 1, or you can simply write subtracting 1 and 2. So AL minus BL क्या मिलेगा?
AB.
AB. Very good.
AB.
And LD minus LC.
CD.
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 So this will imply AB is equals to CD. यही प्रूफ करना था. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards a very good question. Question number 5. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma, and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter, drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So let us draw the circle first. See, R is a position of Reshma, and S is the position of Salma, and M is the position of Mandeep. Reshma, the distance between Reshma and Salma, it is given 6 meter, ये वाला RS. Okay, and the distance between Salma and Mandeep is also given as 6 meter, and we have to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep, that is RM. Figure is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now what is OR, OS, OM in this figure? OR, OS, OM.
Radius.
Radii, right.
Radius.
Okay. So now let us start with the first step. Let R, S, and M be the position of Reshma, Salma, and Mandeep respectively. Now draw perpendicular OA on RS, OB on SM. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखो, परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. So OA perpendicular to RS, OB perpendicular to SM. Figure is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, what is the length of RS? What is the length RS?
6 meters.
6 meter.
So what about AR? What about
3
AR?
3 meters.
3 meter.
Why 3 meter?
Perpendicular from the chord.
Perpendicular from
Perpendicular from
From
the
the chord
bisect.
bisect.
Okay, very
bisect.
good. Perpendicular from the center to chord bisects the chord. So AR is equals to AS is equals to half into 6, that is equals to 3 meter. The reason is that perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Right. Now we are going to take this right triangle OAR. If you apply right Pythagoras theorem, what you will get in this right triangle? OR is the hypotenuse.
OR square is equal to AR square plus OA square.
Very good. So in before that, I already asked you about OR, OS, OM. These are radii, and it is already given in the question that radius is equals to 5 meter. Now we will write that step. In right triangle OAR by Pythagoras theorem, OR square is equals to OA square plus AR square. Right? इसमें AR का वैल्यू नोन है और OR का वैल्यू नोन है. the value of OR is 5 and AR is 3. So we'll substitute. OA square is equals to OA square plus 3 square is equals to 5 square. 5 square is 25 और इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे तो माइनस हो जाएगा. So what will be OA square?
16.
4.
16. Final OA is 4.
4.
Right.
4.
So any doubt in here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now let us move towards the another. What is the area of triangle formula?
half
Half base.
Half into base into
Half
height.
into-
ठीक है. अभी मैं पूछूंगा. उससे पहले one property is there. Suppose this is a line segment. Okay. This is a line segment AB. And if we are drawing one perpendicular bisector, if suppose this is a perpendicular bisector, right? इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए मान लो perpendicular bisector है और इसमें कोई भी point लेते हैं हम लोग. If you take any point P, so P is equidistant from A as well as B. Okay, this is a very important property of perpendicular bisector. Class 6 में था ये. So we know that the point lies on perpendicular bisector of a line segment is equidistant from the endpoints of the line segment. Whether this statement is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ध्यान से देखो OR is equals to OM because they are radii. So we can say that OS is the perpendicular bisector of RM. OR is equals to OM radii of the circle. This will imply OS is the perpendicular bisector of RM. Whether this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That means this is perpendicular. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ पे एक triangle है ORS. What is the area of ORS? How will you calculate the area of ORS? Tell me.
Half into base into height.
How? Which is the base and which is the altitude?
Sir, base is OS and height is RC.
Okay, fine. So we can calculate in two ways. See, with reference to this altitude OA, the base is RS. ध्यान से देखो, with reference to altitude height OA, base is RS. Similarly, with reference to RC altitude, the base is OS. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll start with now in triangle RSM, angle RCS is equals to 90 degree because we have already wrote that here. OS is the perpendicular bisector of RM. So angle RCS is equals to 90 degree and RC is equals to CM. Now area of triangle ORS. I am taking RS is the base, right? So OA is the altitude. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
what is the
sir.
value of OA? Already we got OA 4. हम लोग को पिछले स्लाइड में मिला था ना, OA is equals to 4. And what is the value of RS?
6.
6.
Right.
Sir.
Just now I told you that area of triangle ORS we can calculate in another way. कैसे? Half into base into height. Right? So this will imply half into RC into OS is equals to half into 4 into 6. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now both sides we can cancel this half. And what is the value of OS?
6.
OS. OS radius है ना? 5.
meter.
Right. So RC into 5 is equals to 24. Now 24 divided by 5. How much you will get? 24 divided by 5. जल्दी बताओ.
4.8.
4.8, sir.
4.8, right. So 4.8 meter. Now we have to calculate, actually we have to find RM. सो RM कितना होगा?
2 into RC.
Very good. So RM is equals to 2 into RC, that is 2 into 4.8. The final answer is 9.6 meter. Hence, the distance from Reshma and Mandip is 9.6 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. मैं upload करने के बाद एक बार और देख लेना, right? Because this is very good question. Now we are moving towards the last question of the exercise. That is also very good question. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Said and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. So we'll mark A for Ankur, position B for Said and position C for David on the circular park. See, this is the point. Ankur का point है ये और ये Said का point है, place position, and this position is for David. And वो लोग string के द्वारा, okay, they are sitting at a equal distance on its boundary. So AB, BC और AC जो arc है वो equal है. Whether diagram is clear? Don't see inside now. जिसमें मैं मार्क करके रखा हूं, जो बोल रहा हूं उस पर ध्यान दो. AB arc, wait, I will, हाँ, arc AB is equals to arc BC is equals to arc CA. Right? And we know that the equal arcs has equal chords. So chord भी equal हो जाएगा. Chord AB is equals to chord BC is equals to chord CA. Equal arc subtends equal angle at the center. Equal chords also subtends equal angle at the center. Right? So if chords are equal, then their corresponding arcs are also equal. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means ABC is an equilateral triangle because all three sides are equal. Now in equilateral triangle, there is a very good property of equilateral triangle is that orthocenter, centroid, circumcenter, incenter all are same. अभी ऑर्थोसेंटर क्या होता है बता रहा हूँ, एक एक बता रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो. Orthocenter is the point of intersection of all the three altitudes of a triangle, and circumcenter is the point of intersection of all the perpendicular bisector of three sides, and centroid is the point of intersection of all three medians, and the last one incenter. Incenter is the point of intersection of the angle bisector of all the three angles, internal angles of the triangle. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, AD, BE और CF median draw करेंगे. Let AD, BE and CF be the median of triangle ABC and G be its centroid. Just now I told you that in an equilateral triangle, centroid coincide with circumcenter. ठीक है, circumcenter we can define in other way also. If the three vertices lies on the circle, then the point is called circumcenter. The center of that circle is called circumcenter. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
G जो है वो center भी है और centroid भी है. Okay, and centroid का एक important property है that it divides median in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so that means AG upon GD is 2:1. But before that, let us see that what is the value of GA, GB, GC.
20 meters, sir.
Right, radius है. So GA is equals to GB is equals to GC is equals to 20 meter. Okay, now just now I told you that the ratio, the centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So ये वाला 2 और ये वाला 1. Okay, so that means GA upon GD will be equals to 2/1. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the value of GA, just we have written that it is equals to 20 meter, right? So what is the value of GD?
10 meters, sir.
Right,
10
10
meters.
meter. So we got the value of GD is equals to 10 meter. Now, what is AD then?
30 meters.
अच्छा ठीक है, हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, हम लोग ये वाला लेते हैं, ये this is 20 and this is 10. So we can find the value of BD by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in right triangle BDG we have BG square is equals to GD square plus BD square, and the value of BG is 20 and the value of GD is 10, that we are going to substitute, and 20 स्क्वायर 400 होता है और 10 स्क्वायर 100 होता है, तो इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे. So what we will get? BD square
300.
300, right? So 300 का स्क्वायर रूट, what you will get? 300 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 100 into 3, right? So the square root of 100 is 10 and 3 का स्क्वायर रूट तो होता नहीं है, that means integer नहीं होता है, natural number नहीं मिलेगा, so we can write root 3 only. So the square root of 300 is 10 root 3. Now we have to find BC. So BC is equals to 2 times BD, and 2 into 10 root 3 is equals to 20 root 3 meter. Hence the length of each telephone string is 20 root 3 meter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving towards the next section, that is assignment questions. Only 3 questions are there and सभी में कुछ ना कुछ कैलकुलेट करना है. यहाँ पे 2 parallel chords of length 30 centimeter 16 centimeter are drawn on opposite sides of the center of radius 17 centimeter. Find the distance between the chords. Okay, and in this figure you have to find the radius of this circle, and in this figure also you have to find the radius of the circle. Okay, so you have to complete these 3 questions, right? And that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. आज के क्लास में किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
After 9th B class I will upload this recording in YouTube channel, and then I will share the link. You please watch once again. आराम से देखना उसको अच्छे से, right?